Laurel is preparing for an upcoming trade show and needs some demo units to be showcased. So she goes ahead and creates a task in Colabus for the manufacturing to deliver those demo units for the show. She enters the name of the task and then the instructions. She enters a priority to be very important and the task to be completed by the 20th of July. She estimates that this task will take 120 hours and assigns Robert and Jenny to this task. She determines of the 120 hours, Robert will be spending about 40 hours and Jenny the remainder. Saves it. Jenny realizes that she forgot to attach a couple of documents that would be useful for the manufacturing folks for the task. So she goes ahead and edits the task. And here she attaches documents from the repository that's on the cloud and selects the two blueprints that will be part of this task. Robert is in a conference in Barcelona and he gets a notification on his Colabus app on the mobile. He views the task and notes the contents. He reviews the instructions and figures out that the touchscreen functionality requires Mike to be involved in this task. Mike from engineering is currently with the design team working on the touchscreen functionality in Israel. Robert goes ahead and updates his progress for the task that he's already started work on this, and he does about 10%, and he puts in the time that he's finished, say an hour. He goes ahead and puts in his comments and does an update. Robert creates a task for Mike and Jenny on his mobile and he puts in the instructions for the task. He also sets the priority to be very important and specifies the start and end dates and times. He estimates that this task will take 60 hours and is going to include Jenny and Mike. He's going to assign 40 hours for Jenny and 20 hours for Mike. He also realizes he has to attach a document from his phone that would be useful for both Jenny and Mike. So he goes to the upload and does a save. Robert also feels it necessary to send Laurel an instant message using the Colabus instant message facility. So he sends her the message that is in Barcelona and he's created task 102 for Mike and Jenny. Laurel notices Robert's IM and realizes that a task has been created for Mike and Jenny. She also realizes that this task needs to be made dependent upon her prior task. She looks at her task list and knows that MFG 102 needs to be completed for 101 to be complete. So it's a dependency. Goes ahead and edits the task. And now in the edit mode, she goes ahead and selects the dependency and will choose MFG 102 and save. She can also look at the task in a calendar mode and scroll down to the task that she's created. She can click on the dependency icon and see the relationship between MFG 101 and 102. That is, 102 needs to be completed for 101 to be completed. Laurel and the rest of the team can review the progress on these tasks. Here we can see the dependency and the actual progress. So Jenny has completed 75% and her progress is denoted out here. You can also look at Mike's progress and look at his comments. We can view Mike's documents and hence everybody's progress.